curious about how was the hamburger invented? In today's video, we are going to go back in time to uncover the juicy story of the hamburger. So, let's begin. We don't know who exactly invented the hamburger because many people claim credit for it, but many believe that a man named Louis is the creator. It was the year of 1900. A hungry gentleman walked into Louis's small restaurant and asked for something quick and tasty to eat. So Louis thought for a moment and then picked up 2 pieces of bread and placed a cooked ground beef between them. And the gentleman loved it. Soon the sandwich became popular all around United States and eventually all around the world. Over time, people began adding more toppings to it like lettuce, tomatoes, onions, sauces, etc. In the year of 1955, the famous fast food restaurant McDonald's opened up, helping the hamburger even more popular worldwide. And that is the story how the hamburger became one of the famous dish in the world. Thanks for watching. Bye.